Indian kitchen tips and tricks for a healthy lifestyle. The Indian kitchen is not just a place where delicious meals are prepared. It's also a treasure trove of age-old wisdom that can contribute significantly to our overall well-being. With its rich culinary heritage and a plethora of spices and ingredients, the Indian kitchen holds valuable tips and tricks that can be harnessed for good health. In this article, we will explore some of these time-tested practices that can help you embrace a healthier lifestyle. 1. Embrace whole foods. Indian cuisine celebrates a variety of whole foods such as grains, legumes, vegetables, and fruits. These foods are rich in essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that are vital for maintaining good health. Include a colorful array of vegetables and fruits in your meals to ensure a diverse range of vitamins and minerals. 2. Spice it up. Indian cooking is renowned for its use of spices, and these spices offer more than just flavor. Many Indian spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and cinnamon possess medicinal properties. Turmeric, for example, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can aid in preventing chronic diseases. 3. Mindful oil usage. Oil is an essential component of Indian cooking, but choosing the right type and using it mindfully is key to a healthy diet. Opt for healthier options like olive oil, coconut oil, or mustard oil, as they are rich in monounsaturated fats and have proven health benefits. 4. Ayurvedic principles. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, emphasizes the balance of 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, for optimal health. Incorporating Ayurvedic principles into your cooking, such as using warming spices in colder months and favoring cooling foods during warmer months, can help maintain a balanced body and mind. 5. Homemade is best. Preparing meals from scratch allows you to control the ingredients, flavors, and portion sizes. Avoiding processed foods and excessive use of additives, preservatives, and artificial flavors can significantly improve your overall health. 6. Fermented delights. Indian cuisine offers a variety of fermented foods like yogurt, dosa, and idli. These foods are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. A healthy gut contributes to improved digestion, better immunity, and even enhanced mood. 7. Opt for steaming and grilling. While deep frying is popular in many Indian dishes, consider alternative cooking methods like steaming and grilling. These methods retain the nutrients of the food while reducing the intake of excess calories and unhealthy fats. 8. Hydration with herbal teas. Traditional Indian herbal teas like ginger tea, tulsi, holy basil tea, and masala chai not only hydrate but also offer various health benefits. Ginger tea aids digestion, tulsi tea boosts immunity, and masala chai's spices provide antioxidants. 9. Portion control. Incorporate the Indian practice of eating in moderation and listening to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Overeating can lead to discomfort and unnecessary weight gain. 10. Regular meal times. Maintaining a routine for meal times is an important aspect of Indian culture. Regular meals help regulate metabolism and prevent overindulgence. Aim for a balanced distribution of calories throughout the day. Conclusion. The Indian kitchen is a treasure trove of wisdom that can guide us towards a healthier lifestyle. By embracing whole foods, utilizing spices, following Ayurvedic principles, and making mindful choices in cooking methods and portion control, we can integrate the essence of Indian culinary traditions into our modern lives. Remember, the path to good health starts right in your kitchen. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment.